other steps can realtors take to save time on those contracts?
One thing that can really save everybody a lot of time is using a cover sheet. Take all the information that you have for your broker, your name, address, phone number, the other realtor's broker, name, address, and phone number, the commission split, the buyer and seller information, everything you can get on the buyer and the seller, their name, address, phone number, any information that you can get from the other side. If you can provide that to us, also whether or not they're going to use us as their closing attorney, or if you already know that they have another attorney that they plan on using, that attorney's contact information is helpful. Anything that you can provide to us up front when you send us that contract is going to save everybody a ton of time. No blanks in your contracts, folks. The reason the blank is there is to fill it in. If you don't have anything to put in the blank, put NA for not applicable. Why? It's common knowledge. You know, someone might try to slip one in on you. Let's make sure that you're covered and your clients are covered. If there is not going to be a termite report done, then put an A in all those blanks. If there's not going to be a home inspection done, put an A in all those blanks. That way there's no question about whether it was just a mistake and it was mistakenly left blank in the third copy of the fifth contract that you wrote that day. Or, you know, that way we know that it was on purpose, that you purposefully are not going to do that. Not going to do that termite report, not going to do that inspection. So just please always fill in the blank. Filling in the 8th page on the contract where it says broker information, realtor information, all that stuff, it's there for a reason. We need the information. You might as well go ahead, gather it all up in the beginning. It'll save you time and energy later on. The other thing that's important when you're talking about contracts is making sure that the property address and the TMS number are 100% correct. You can make sure by going to OreCounty.org and choosing land records on the bottom left part of the screen. You can check the property address, you can check the TMS number, and you can check your seller. Why, you may ask, do I care if you check your seller's names? You'd be surprised the number of folks who say they own the property, but in reality, it's their mom or their dad or their husband or their wife or their child, or maybe they own it with their child. And so we want to know who's really on that deed. And so if you go to the land records, you can find out the current address, the current TMS number, and then go over there to the Register of Deeds if you like, and print out a copy of that deed so you can be assured as to who your seller is.